welcome back to Zasie Space. This is your home of how-tos. Look here, you have to help me share my YouTube channel to all your friends. Let them come and subscribe. I mean, please, you are getting a lot of content, good, educative, entertaining content on here. The least you can do is please beg at least 10 friends of yours to subscribe. Is that a deal? Okay, thank you so much. So I decided that we're going to be having 2 videos weekly. On Tuesdays, we're going to be having videos on business, on strategy, on content and all of that. Whilst on Fridays, we're going to be having our skin and fashion videos drop on Fridays. So how do you see that? Get everybody to come on this channel. Please get at least 10 people to subscribe to the channel today. I'm begging you, please. Today we're going to be talking about skin brightening and skin whitening. And this is something that I know that a lot of us are confused about. Most times when you get to the skincare shop, you want to know the one that will well for you, make your skin glow, and also the one that will bleach your skin. And this is always a serious case for those people with dark skin, caramel skin. There's always that, tussle between the one that will brighten and then the one that will whiten. This is the essence of this video. I'm going to be telling you the difference between skin brightening and the skin white. So skin brightening simply means removing dead cells from your skin. That product or that routine that will help you to remove dead cells from your skin, help your skin to glow. That is exactly what it means to brighten, to make your skin glow. When you inculcate regimen, that skincare regimen that will help your skin to brighten up, means that it will help your skin to shine. It will help your skin to aka glow. It will remove the dead cells around the layers of your skin, the dead cells caused by the sun or whatever it is that have stopped products from sinking deep into your skin. So that is what skin brightening is. It doesn't change your color. It just helps your color to be pronounced. It helps your color to be like that kind of color that you had when you were a baby. So that's what skin brightening is. While skin whitening is a total change in your skin tone. When you want to change your melanin, you want to leave the particular complexion you have to another kind of complexion, aka bleach your skin, right? So that's skin whitening. So if you go to the skincare shop, or you get to a skincare brand stand, and then you see it brightens the skin, it doesn't mean that it's going to bleach you. What it's saying is it will make your original skin tone to be pronounced. It doesn't whiten. When you see a skincare product that whitens, it means that it might change your skin tone totally, your skin complexion totally. Now let me break this down. When you're trying to fight spots, you're trying to fight acne scars and all of that, you need a certain kind of whitening product to fade it off, because like skin whitening product helps to fight spots quickly. So if you're fighting spots, you get a spot clearing cream and all of that, there is a possibility that there is a little bit of whitening in that skin whitening product, in that particular cream or that particular product that you have gotten. Skin whitening agent helps to clear out spots, but also when you brighten the skin, it also does the same thing. And this is the reason why a lot of people buy bleaching creams when they want to clear their spots, because they feel like it works faster. But you need to know that when you get the the right brightening product, it will help your skin to remove the acne scars. Now the difference between using a brightening product to clear your scars and a whitening product to clear your scars is that in brightening product, it will work gradually, help you to even tone, help you to remove. But with whitening, it can work within 2 weeks, but there's going to be disparity between one color and the other, and that leads to uneven tone. Do you understand? So if you're working on getting your scars removed, I would suggest that you go with skin brightening. If you do not want to change your color completely, you can use skin brightening agents that will get rid of your scars completely. Now, pros of both sides, the cons of both sides. While you are trying to brighten your skin, it helps you with your collagen. It makes you look youthful. It makes you look beautiful. It makes your skin to look hydrated, supple. It removes all the dead layers on the surface of your skin. But when you're whitening your skin, you are prone to swelling, you are prone to irritation, you are prone to redness. Skin whitening, it shows that your skin is thinning out. Your skin is thinning out. That's what it means. If you're whitening your skin and you're seeing all those things, your skin will be thinning out, and then it is very hard for wounds to heal quickly because you have changed your skin tone. You have removed your skin barrier outrightly. So you must make sure that you understand the pros and cons of both sides to choose the side you're on. Now we want to know the products that you can use to brighten your skin. Number one, the most effective product is vitamin C. When you use vitamin C as antioxidant. Vitamin C also helps with collagen, and vitamin C helps to remove your spots, your acne, scars, and all of that. So use vitamin C. Inculcate vitamin C into your regimen. Then you can also get a toner, a very good toner, rose water. There's so many toners like that. It will help remove dead skin layers. So get a very good toner. A toner is going to be good for you to help brighten your skin. It will remove dead layers, and it will remove acne scars. Sunscreen is the best. See, the reason why we have dead cells around us is because when we are not sunscreened, when we are not shielding our skin from the sun, it is exposed to the ray of the sun, and it can be very extreme on the skin surface, on the surface of your skin, which will breed dead cells and all of that. So use your sunscreen. You cannot do anything to make your skin glow without getting yourself a sunscreen. So please, you need to get yourself a sunscreen. The next thing you want to do is exfoliate. You have to exfoliate before you start your regimen. Exfoliate with a scrub or with a mask or whatever, but the best kind of exfoliation is exfoliating with a scrub. Now you can decide to use a milk-based scrub or a fruit-based scrub because they have very good nutrition for the skin. But you can also use charcoal scrub. Charcoal is also very good. It removes dead cells ASAP, right? So if you're trying to brighten your skin, you can use scrub. You need to exfoliate, but don't overdo it. Best thing to do is exfoliate 3 times a week. If your skin is too sensitive, depending on the scrub you're going to be using, you can exfoliate twice a week. Do you understand me? Last thing is you need to take supplements that will help boost your collagen level. So there are different kinds of supplements that you can get. You just go to a very good pharmacy and tell them that you want skin supplements. Some might be pricey, some might not be pricey. Whichever one it is, just make sure that it is something that will work for you, and then it has very good collagen booster. Is going to help you for your skin brightening. To whiten your skin, of course, you can have a total bath of your color, this Asian bath and all of that people do. You can do that. You can use IV. People use IV now to that's the IV infusion would whiten. It's like infusing a whitener into your system. Something is already working on the inside to effect to give the right effect for what is working on the outside. You can also use different products, whitening products and all of that. Just do your research. But I'm not a fan of whitening. I'm just a fan of brightening your skin, glowing your skin, making your skin supple, nice and youthful. I need you to also know that if you do not consistently use your skin brightening product, there's great tendency that your skin becomes dull again. So these are not permanent effects, and the same thing goes with whitening. If you're not using your product consistently, there's a very big possibility that your skin tone is going to go back to what it used to be. So you need to make sure that you're consistent with your product. For brightening, right, if you do not use, it's not like when you don't use your product for 2 days you go back immediately and become dull. No, but if you keep skipping your regimen, it's going to have adverse effects on your skin. So you need to make sure that you keep using your regimen. You do all the things that is right. You take vitamin C. You take you can also take vitamin C supplements as you're taking your serum on the outside. I hope that you find this video very useful. What team are you on, brightening or whitening? I am team brightening because my god, the effect of whitening is very, very critical. right? And we just want to look good even in our old age. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please share this video with your friends and with your family members. This is very important because I really need to grow this channel. Thank you so much, guys. My name is Zasie, and this is your home of how-tos, how to brand, how to do business, how to take care of your skin, how to do anything. We do it on here. Do not forget again, like this video. Please like it. Please like it. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.